Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet the half double crochet. That's a US term, it's a half treble in the UK, and it's one of my favourite stitches. It creates this really lovely, quite dense stitch, and it's just lovely for a baby blanket. It's something that you can relax into, and it's sort of halfway between a single and a double crochet. So let's put this swatch to one side and use this Aran weight yarn in a baby blue colour. We'll just put that there so you can still see the stitch. I'm going to do a small swatch here just to show you the technique. So I'm going to chain 10 plus 2 for turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 2 for turning. So we're going to start our stitch by doing a yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain from the hook here, 1, 2, 3, capturing 2 strands, yarn over again, so you have 3 loops on your crochet hook here. You're then going to yarn over again and pull that through all 3 all at once. I'll do that again. Yarn over to begin with, insert your hook, capturing 2 strands, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Let's do that a little bit more quickly till we get to the end of the row. Now you see, when I finish the stitch I immediately do a yarn over. It just seems to make the whole process that much more fluid. You'll find your own techniques and your own way to count in your head your yarn overs. Last stitch, now sometimes it's tricky to get underneath 2, so I just turn my work a little bit like that. First row in crochet is always tricky. Now because this isn't a very tall stitch, 2 may be enough, 1 may be enough for you. I'm doing my 2 turning chain relatively tightly because I tend to crochet rather on the looser side. So I've done my 2 turning chain, turn my work, and we'll come back and do a second row. I'm going to yarn over, go into the stitch here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over. And it gets much easier on the second row because your stitches really show up. So where you need to insert your hook really shows up. The top of that half double crochet is very clear. We'll use a half double crochet in an upcoming video, which is all about how to make a Japanese knot bag, and this for beginners is a very impressive project. 1, 2, turn our work. Now we can check to see whether we've stacked our double crochet correctly and not lost any stitches. So we have our turning chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we've got the turning chain here and 10. So now I'm going to go into this little hole here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2 turning chain, turn your work. And then it becomes very obvious exactly where you insert your hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's worth checking your stitch count, maybe not on every row, but in order to keep your sides straight, you don't want to add or lose stitches. That's always the tricky bit in crochet. You might put a stitch marker, maybe if it's a very long piece you're working on, a few from the end, and so you count the last few, because the middle bit's easy, but it's always this end bit that's tricky. Or take a photograph of exactly where you insert your hook at the beginning of a row. So you take a photograph of that on your phone. So there we have it, a really lovely stitch. We can see from the sample they're very much the same, done in Aran weight or worsted weight yarn and a size 5mm crochet hook. So there we have it, the half double crochet, or in the UK the half treble, and it's a very useful, lovely stitch for blankets, scarves, clothing, whatever you choose to crochet. So thanks so much for watching. Press the subscribe button and the bell and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. I hope you have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.